It's another good day. However, there's a bird poop on my windshield. I need to get rid of it. So here we are. We got a what is that? Wash? Foaming car wash. Foam gun. So you can use this hose. Connect this side to the hose. Then you can use it to spray foam and rinse. As the instruction says, there are 3 steps. The first step is to attach the hose to the bottle and turn the dial to H2O or the water setting. Then you just spray water to wet your car. The second step is turn the dial to mix. So that will actually mix soap, which is contained in the bottle already. So you got some nice soap foam over your car. Let it soak for a while. Then you got the last step, which is rinse with just water. Put the dial back again. So you can see this is the dial has the options. Now it's a time to do the work. Now we are done. Nice and clean. So in the beginning, actually, things didn't go so well. I had quite a few difficulties connecting the hose, and it's leaking very badly. Um, Apparently, it's not a quality problem because after I switched from water to soap or mixed, it doesn't leak anymore. And then when I switch back to water for rinse, it doesn't leak either. Thanks for watching. See you next time.